A huge mistake that many self-haircutters make, especially some of my more beginner students, is they don't really understand how to get rid of the hard lines. And I've seen this on my YouTube channel in the comments. I've seen this on TikTok and Instagram. The number one complaint and the number one problem a lot of self-haircutters have is they put in a guideline, they put in another guideline, and then they try to fade out that hard line that it creates, and they get stuck and they don't know how to remove the hard line. And I always say this, and I've said this to so many of my students. Remember this one thing if you're going to have any bit of trouble removing a hard line, and it's this. The same exact guard and lever position that you used to put in the hard line in the first place should always be the same exact guard and lever position that you use to remove the hard line. So let me give you a quick example. If I'm going to put in, let's say, the first guideline, which is no guard, lever closed, all right? I know I told you previously guidelines are always with the lever open, but if you want to have a shorter haircut, like a super short, but you don't want to use your trimmers, you can close the lever on the no guard, all right? So let's just say this as an example. No guard, lever closed, that's your first guideline, all right? Then you open the lever, so no guard, lever open, that's your second guideline. Perfect. So now we have a hard line. So we went from the no guard closed to the no guard lever open. Now we have a hard line right here because of the difference between the closed and the lever open. There's a nice gap right here, so we have a hard line. So let's just say I go in, I use the lever open to soften it up a little bit more. I slowly close the lever to halfway and it softens up the hard line a little bit more. So what do I do from there? You're gonna go back all the way to the first guideline that you put in on your head, which was the no guard lever closed, which is going to match the length on the bottom when you initially started. So the same exact guard and lever position that you used to put in the hard line in the first place will always be the last resort option that you use to get rid of that hard line. And again, I'm going to be showing you this multiple times throughout the self-haircut tutorials, so you'll definitely have this ingrained in your head in later lectures. But as of right now, again, I just want to stimulate you and just let you know what's to come, because I am going to be teaching you how to get rid of the hard lines, and it's a lot easier than you think. And you're never going to run into the issue of struggling to remove a hard line, because you're always going to remember right now this video and a few others that I have in the program of what did Alex say when I'm having a hard time with the hard lines and getting rid of them? That's right. Go back to the same guard and lever position that I used to put in the hard line in the first place, and I will always be able to get rid of those hard lines.